Hey everyone, welcome back to the Vakas Tech. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone apps name disappear after update iOS 18 beta. As you can see right now, this iPhone updated to the latest iOS 18 beta, but after update you can see appears on screen there is no apps name showing here right now on iPhone screen. So how to fix this kind of issue on your iPhone? First of all, you need to press and hold the iPhone screen. Okay, as you can see in the top, edit option showing here right now, select the edit. After selecting the edit, you can see appears on screen showing here customize option. Select the customize. Okay, now you can see appears on screen here are showing small, large, automatic, dark, light and tighten. Just select the small one. Okay, now you can see appears on screen apps name showing here right now on iPhone screen. So by do simple step you can easily fix that your iPhone not showing apps name after update iOS 18. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.